Students, so today I am going to discuss the problem based on rationalization. Today I am going to discuss one problem which is very important, and in the last year examination conducted by the council, one sum of this kind is given in the question paper. So let us go through the problem. Rationalize the denominator of the following and hence evaluate by taking root 2 equals to 1.414 and root 3 equals to 1.732 up to 3 places of decimal. The question is given as 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. So as usual, first we need to rationalize the term. So rationalizing means denominator is given root 3 plus root 2. So we need to multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus root 2. So we keep the numerator as it is, and denominator we are going to apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we will get root 3 square minus root 2 square. Root 3 square means 3, root 2 square means 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So you will get root 3 minus root 2. Now as in the sum value of root 2 and root 3 is given to you. So substitute the value of root 3 and root 2 in their respective places. So in place of root 3 I am substituting 1.732. In place of root 2 I am substituting the value of root 2, which is equal to 1.414. So that is equal to 0.318. Moving into the next problem. If a equals to 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a minus 1 by a. So value of a is given to you. So first calculate 1 by a. So 1 by a means 1 by 2 plus root 3. That means in the place of a we are substituting the value of a, which is equal to 2 plus root 3. Now we rationalize the denominator. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So we are multiplying numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. So first apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b in the denominator, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we will get 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square means 4, root 3 square means 3. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So we will get 2 minus root 3. So we need to find out the value of a minus 1 by a. So write the value of a, write the value of 1 by a and simplify. So once you open up the bracket, the sign will change. 2 and minus 2 will cancel each other. So we'll get root 3 plus root 3 equals to 2 root 3. Sometimes student, we saw in the many cases where directly you substitute the value here, a value, which is given as 2 plus root 3, that will lead to the more calculation. To avoid the calculation, use the concept of rationalization, simplify 1 by a and rationalize and then substitute the value. Now suppose the question is given as find the value of a minus a, 1 by a to the power 2. So first find out the value of a minus a and then take the square on the both sides. This way you avoid the calculation and it will be very much easier for you. Thank you student for watching this.